All right, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily. My name's Austin. Great video today. We have one goal in this video to talk about play to earn crypto games, because in my quest to keep finding quality play to earn crypto games, put them on your radar, make sure you know about them. Today I want to talk about sort of a blue chip, an OG in this space, Gods Unchained, that I would honestly assume many of you are probably already playing. In today's video, I want to break down the game, how you can start earning NFTs, break down the Gods token, use case and utility, along with this Blessing of the Gods event happening now, the biggest play to earn event of the year, where we have partnered with Gods Unchained so I can share with you how to earn real Gods tokens completely for free just for playing. So, like always, let's jump in. First question, what is Gods Unchained? Boom, here it is. In my opinion, a picture, a visual is worth 1,000 words, and I think this is cool. I think this is actually fun to play, and in my opinion, it is this sort of thing that actually leads to mass adoption, potentially, because you can't even tell this is a crypto game. This just looks like a fun game. But like I said, I know many of you are playing Gods Unchained now, so truly, I mean it. Comment down below your experience with Gods Unchained. I want to hear from the community. What do you think? Comment down below. But in 60 seconds or less, what is Gods Unchained? Gods Unchained is basically, in simple terms, a free-to-play card game with the goal of accumulating NFTs and items to win battles. And the cool thing is that because it's a play-to-earn crypto game, because it is built on the blockchain, players can actually have real-world control over the items they earn, meaning these are Ethereum tokens, and you can buy, sell, trade them on Uniswap for real money. Looking on the website, as they say, Gods Unchained, the trading card game that pays to play. Play now for free. I will put a link down below in the video description. Check it out, link down below. And while I want to end the video by discussing this play-to-earn event, Blessing of the Gods, where you can earn real Gods tokens just for playing, I first want to go over the backers, who's behind it, as well as the token, use case, and utility. Okay, so moving forward, who's behind this game? The company has financing from Coinbase, which is huge, Galaxy Digital, Mike Novogratz's company, as well as Naspers, one of the largest tech investors in the world, backing this game. And it's also led by Chris Clay, who is the former game director of Magic, the Gathering Arena, who has had success in gaming before, and now they're all sort of just coming together for Gods Unchained. I will link this down below in the video description for more information, check it out. But let's keep going and talk about the token. What is Gods? It is the token scaling digital asset ownership. So Gods is part utility and part governance token. Made in partnership with the Gods Unchained Corporation, Gods is the native ERC20 token of the Gods Unchained universe. Mortals can use Gods to craft NFTs, purchase packs from the Gods Unchained marketplace, and earn even more rewards by hodling tokens in Immutable X, the scaling solution. Gods token also represent voting power, enabling players to participate in governance proposals that influence the game's destiny. So pretty self-explanatory, utility token and governance token. And in this play-to-earn event, Blessing of the Gods, happening now, there are millions of dollars worth of Gods tokens potentially up for grabs. If you want to take advantage, let me share with you the details. Mortals, we're hosting a series of play-to-earn events this month where both early supporters and new play-to-earn enthusiasts have the opportunity to earn Gods, the primary currency for our ecosystem. First question I have is, when does this start and how long will this contest last? The Blessing of the Gods play-to-earn event is expected to last for 8 weeks, giving our community a great opportunity to earn Gods while competing against other mortals. This event has actually already begun on November 1st, 2021 at approximately 5 p.m. PDT, Pacific time. So while this has already started, there are at least 4 more weeks to go for those of you who choose to participate. And any user can participate in this event given they complete the following eligibility criteria. And this is the fine print, so to speak, what you must do if you want to be eligible. Stick with me for the next 90-ish seconds. Let's break this down together. Each player must complete the following tasks weekly, And by weekly, we mean starting from 5 p.m. Pacific time Monday to 4:59 p.m. Pacific time the next Monday each week. Now, the good news is you will get rewarded in God's tokens at the end of each week as well. If you qualify, we'll talk about that. But first, here are the 5 basic things you must complete. Number 1, play 20 or more ranked games, which in my experience really isn't that much, especially over a week. The games do go pretty fast. Number 2, win 7 or more of those ranked games. You can't just lose them all. They're giving away real God's tokens. You gotta win at least 7. Number 3, pass 4 rounds of each ranked game every week. Number 4, be at least rank 4, which is purified iron, on Gods Unchained by the end of the campaign to qualify. And number 5, and this in my opinion is the most fun, play versus games with at least 17 unique opponents out of the 20 ranked games played. So you can challenge anybody anywhere in the world as long as you're both playing this game, and let me know if any Altcoin Daily members end up versing each other. Note, any account that is suspected of win trading, botting, multi-accounting, or any other wrongful activities will be disqualified and banned from Gods Unchained, which I like. No cheaters in this event. And now let's get to the good stuff. What can I win? What's in it for me? Gods will be distributed as rewards according to the point system you earn per week. To track your progress, anybody can visit GU Dex, Gods Unchained Dex, like right here, and look at the player stats. Everything's public, everything's transparent, and people are already playing. And based on how many points you earn, that's how many Gods tokens you receive. So the point system is as follows. Everybody starts out with a certain number of base points, and as you can see, those players that are ranked higher, because they earned their rank higher, do get more base points, which is fair. If you want to play more games, play 40 ranked games, play 60 ranked games, and win a certain amount of them. There are bonus points for that as well. And at the end of each week, once you've earned your points, here is the rewards pool that's available for the players. So what does the reward pool look like? Well, there is a base weekly reward pool of 100,000 Gods tokens, which at the time of recording, 100,000, that's worth $500,000 minimum each week. Something interesting, which I like, is as more people play, if more people play, the reward pool grows. The reward pool increases according to the weekly active players reached that week. So if 50,000 weekly active players is reached, it goes from 100,000 in Gods to 225,000 Gods up for grabs. If they reach 75,000 weekly active players, then 350,000 God tokens are available. And if 100,000 weekly active players are reached, then 500,000 Gods tokens are up for grabs. Wow, that would be an outrageous number of Gods tokens. And just to kind of give you perspective on these different reward pool increases, here are the latest stats as of yesterday on the amount of people playing Gods Unchained. Yesterday we saw over 129,000 Gods Unchained matches played, far more than we had in all of January this year. Those were matches. Alongside that, we had over 21,000 players yesterday, with our weekly active user numbers currently at 41,000 plus. Let's get it, mortals. So quite a lot of people playing this game, and with 41 plus weekly active users now, we can see there's quite the potential to grow. If you want to get even more specific, they do give you an equation which you can use to calculate your Gods rewards per week. You should take your total points divided by the total points of all existing players and then times it by the Gods reward pool. Basically, in summation, Gods Unchained believes in rewarding players for the time and effort they invest and the engagement they create in the community. This event is one of many examples of what they have incoming. All right, give me your general take on this. Link down below for more information, check it out. But that is the video. My name's Austin. Like always, see you tomorrow.